Hi, this is Quinn Devery over at Paranet Solutions. Today we're going to be talking about managed IT services and their pricing models. So there's four types of pricing models we're going to cover. These are the most common pricing models out there. The first one is pricing per device, pricing per ticket, an all-you-can-eat plan, and then the fourth one is pricing per user. So what are some of the price drivers for each of these models? Well, per device is pretty self-explanatory. You're going to be able to get a quote based on the number of workstations, servers, network locations that you have in your environment today. You can get a lot of providers offer this, and you can do price shopping or compare prices pretty easily. There's also per ticket. So if you look at a baseline number of how many tickets your organization generates on an average per month, and then if there's tickets that go over, say, 20% of that average, you're probably going to get charged substantially more per ticket over the 20%. There's all you can eat, which is just like a buffet. It's a flat fee. It's going to be assessed approximately on your size of your environment by your provider. And then fourth option per user is you just look at the number of users that you have, and then they'll be priced into that amount per month. What it is, I pulled up a pros and cons for each of these pricing drivers or pricing models. So, per device, the benefit is that it is fairly transparent, but it's also commodity based. So you're really just looking at, shopping around. It's not easy to understand what the true value is. So per ticket, you pay for what you get, but also if you have an outage that drives your ticket volume up substantially, you could be really bleeding to the nose on that month or whatever month you do have a disaster or a high ticket volume. Then all you can eat, you have one flat fee, which is really appealing, but similar to a buffet, you don't know the quality of the food sometimes, so the quality of service really can be an issue. You don't know what you're actually paying for or what you're getting. And then finally, per user, again, this is also fairly transparent, not as transparent as per device, but it's bad when you have multiple users using a single device, like a retail store, POS machine, that situation. Some other common costs, onboarding. So once you do sign an agreement, you have to be onboarded. And typically your partner is going to be deploying agents, creating documentation, doing configuration of notifications and support systems, as well as training your users. And also remediation. If your environment maybe goes down or you don't have best in class, you may need to purchase new hardware, look at new software licensing. If you need to migrate or integrate or upgrade your platforms or systems, patch or plug security holes, or say develop a stronger or create from the ground up a disaster recovery plan, you're going to have to look at additional costs in your budget for remediating those items. So that's really it. That's managed IT service pricing models. I want to say thanks. If you have any questions, email me at socialmedia@paranet.com. Encourage you to follow us on all our social media platforms as we release new videos. Thank you.